Okay, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. I want to take you guys on a journey of converting my space into a rental property. And the reason I'm renovating or re-renovating the space is, yeah, when I first bought the space, I did renovate the space before moving in. Been here for 10 years, and yeah, man, it's time to move. So I am converting this property into a rental space. And yeah, I just want to make it comfortable for whoever will be occupying the space. And the reason I'm renovating again is because my bathtub was leaking. So they had to fix that plumbing issue. And that then required that have to change because they had to break the bathtub to access the pipes and stuff. So I've had to make a decision to not have mismatching towels in the bathroom, to have some sort of synergy in the bathroom so it looks cute and neat, and stuff. And whoever will be occupying the space, I think the feeling I want them to get is to feel at home. So yeah, so I'm gonna open the currently construction space of my bathroom, and I'll just talk you through it, right? Cool. So welcome to my bathroom. It's a little bathroom, and yeah, so I'm not changing. This is the current vanity. I've had it for 10 years. That's what I put in when I first renovated. And the tabs, I'm not changing that. I'm changing the towels, however. So I had towels from starting from this wall all the way to here. And yeah, so I've had like a marble look towel. And that wall, there's a Geberit toilet. It's a wall hung toilet, which is over there. It was never tiled initially. So that wall was also, the guy that was doing my installation at the time rushed the process and the wall was cracking. So we had to plaster that wall. And yeah, I figured, it'll look cute if it's tiled. And this wall here was never tiled initially. So yeah, man, I figured let's just tile everything. We are gonna paint. The space is gonna look super amazing. And then the bathtub, I found in the property. It's not in a bad shape, so I'm gonna keep that. The mixers I changed. So yeah, you can see the plastering, and the reason the guys aren't here today is because they had to plaster, and because it's winter, the plastering took forever. So yeah, so currently I am gonna change. I'm gonna take you guys to the ceiling. I'm gonna change the down lights. I'll show you the lights that I'm gonna put up in here. So yeah, so the guys, they should be coming tomorrow to finish tiling the bathtub and stuff. So this is just room one of the renovation. And yeah, initially on the floor I had screed flooring. Funny enough, the screed flooring, I've had it in the rest of the house except the bedrooms. The bedrooms have wooden flooring. This screed flooring in this particular bathroom, this is the only room that the screed flooring literally is in a good shape. Shocker. I don't know. But I will be changing the flooring. We'll show you that. We'll take you through that journey. So the guys will be coming tomorrow to finish up tiling, and probably grouting will be done on Monday after the tiles have dried. He has started grouting certain sections of the bathroom. And yeah, man, I think this is room one of the renovation. Yeah, I think come with me on this journey and let's see, the final product, and I'll share progress as we move along. Don't really have timelines. Yeah, because there's technical issues and stuff. And yeah, but I'm hoping to be done pretty soon. I think once everything is clear, I will then share my the timelines and stuff. And then here I had a mirror which I've put in the other room so that it doesn't break. So I'll be putting that back. And yeah, man, do subscribe, like, share, and yeah, hopefully you do join me on this journey of converting my space into a rental property. And now, yeah, I'll give you more context as we move along. I don't want to make this video super long, but yeah, so far I'm loving the subway tiles. They're cute. Yeah, they do give, I do love whites. I think you can never go wrong with like a white bathroom, a white towel. And I had initially, I'll try and find an old picture of this bathroom and then just share it so that you kind of have a view of what the bathroom looked like previously. Not much change. The tile was like a marble, whitish marble-like tile, like a shade previously. Yeah, so I'm just going with the white subway tile and keeping everything. The only thing that is changing in this room is basically tiling around the area and redoing the flooring. So yeah, thank you for watching and do take care. And yeah, please put on your notification bells so that you are notified when I do upload. Take care. Mwah.